Hi, I'm Oliver from Motor Match Stafford, and today we're going to be taking a look around this approved used vehicle.
Let's take a look at this beautiful BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe 220d M Sport. The vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine and an automatic gearbox. This BMW is finished in the stunning red exterior colouring. This BMW would be ideal for somebody in the market for a sporty yet stylish vehicle. The BMW sits on 18-inch M double spoke bicolour alloy wheels. At the front of the vehicle we have these LED headlights with daytime running lights. The vehicle also features power folding wing mirrors, and rear privacy glass. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle, we are greeted with a rather large amount of boot space. As you can see, you could quite easily fit a set of suitcases, your weekly shop, or maybe even a set of golf clubs. Located on the right there, you also have access to a 12-volt power outlet. Now taking a look at the rear seats of the vehicle. On these air vents here we have the ability to control the airflow within the rear of this vehicle. And the seats themselves are composed of this black leather. We also have rear ISOFIX points available to you for any younger companions joining you on your journey, and you also have a centre armrest which will easily fold away to comfortably seat a third passenger. Now taking a look inside the front of the vehicle, we have our leather multifunctional steering wheel, our coloured touchscreen display, and once again these stunning black leather seats. Now these seats are heated in the front and also electrically adjustable with plenty of height and seat adjustments available to you. On the right here we can access our electric window switches. Now returning back to our leather multifunctional steering wheel, on the left here we have access to our cruise control and speed limiter. And on the right here we have our media controls. Now this BMW has done 11,662 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. Now taking a look at our colour touchscreen display, we have all the essentials here on the home page, along with Bluetooth telephone functionality to take those all important calls on the go. Here we can access our driving information and much more, and also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The vehicle is also equipped with a satellite navigation system so that the driver can easily navigate to their destination. Now taking a look at the vehicle's 2-zone climate control system, as you can see the controls are both easily accessible and easily adjustable for both the driver and passenger of this vehicle. On either end of the climate control system we have access to our heated front seat controls, allowing everyone to travel in this vehicle at the perfect temperature. Located just below this we have access to our automatic gearbox and our media controls. We also have multiple driving modes including Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro to suit your own driving style.
RAC extended warranty is available. For more information call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.